Imagine walking into a home where every corner feels warm, romantic, and beautifully lived in. Vintage details, soft textures, and graceful accents create an atmosphere that feels inviting rather than outdated. This is the magic of romantic vintage decorating. The right colors can instantly transform a room. Choose creamy whites, dusty rose, soft beige, muted sage, or warm ivory to create a gentle vintage mood. These romantic shades make the space feel calm and elegant while providing a timeless foundation for decorating. Nothing adds character quite like vintage-inspired furniture. Look for curved silhouettes, carved wood details, distressed finishes, and elegant legs. A classic dresser, antique-style table, or cozy armchair can become a beautiful focal point while giving the room a sense of history. Texture is essential for creating romantic comfort. Layer linen curtains, knitted throws, velvet cushions, and soft cotton bedding throughout the room. These materials add depth and warmth, making your home feel wonderfully relaxed while keeping the vintage aesthetic elegant and inviting. Floral patterns bring instant romance to vintage interiors. Choose delicate roses, botanical prints, or faded garden-inspired designs for curtains, pillows, wallpaper, or upholstery. The key is balance. Small floral touches can make a room feel charming without overwhelming its timeless character. A beautiful mirror can make a vintage room feel brighter and more spacious. Choose ornate frames with aged finishes, curved edges, or classic detailing. Placed above a console, fireplace, or dresser, a vintage-style mirror adds elegance while reflecting the soft beauty of the surrounding decor. Lighting can completely change the mood of a vintage home. Use warm lamps, delicate chandeliers, candle-inspired fixtures, and soft-glowing accent lights. Instead of relying on one bright source, layer gentle lighting throughout the room to create a peaceful and romantic evening atmosphere. Small accessories often tell the biggest stories. Old books, ceramic vases, decorative boxes, framed artwork, and vintage clocks can add personality to your space. Choose pieces that feel meaningful rather than filling every surface, creating a home that feels collected and naturally beautiful. Fresh flowers are one of the simplest ways to enhance romantic vintage decor. Arrange roses, hydrangeas, lavender, or seasonal blooms in ceramic pitchers and antique-style vases. Their natural beauty adds color, softness, and life while making everyday spaces feel more special. Fabric can instantly introduce old-world charm. Consider lace, linen, velvet, toile, or delicate embroidered textiles for curtains, cushions, table runners, and bedding. These classic materials create a graceful atmosphere while adding the softness that makes romantic vintage interiors feel so welcoming. The bedroom is the perfect place to embrace romance. Choose layered bedding, an upholstered headboard, soft curtains, vintage nightstands, and warm bedside lighting. Add floral pillows or a delicate throw to create a peaceful retreat that feels both nostalgic and wonderfully comfortable. A romantic vintage living room should feel inviting and personal. Combine a comfortable sofa with an antique-style coffee table, patterned pillows, vintage artwork, and a soft area rug. Mixing old-inspired pieces with everyday comforts creates a space that feels authentic rather than overly decorated. Turn everyday meals into elegant moments with vintage-inspired dining details. Use a wooden table, classic china, linen napkins, floral arrangements, and softly glowing candles. Even simple meals can feel memorable when surrounded by thoughtful details that celebrate timeless beauty and cozy living. A timeless home does not need to look like a museum. Combine vintage character with modern comfort by pairing antique-inspired furniture with practical storage, comfortable seating, and updated conveniences. This balance keeps the room functional while allowing its romantic personality to shine. The most beautiful vintage homes feel personal, not perfect. Display family photographs, treasured books, handmade pieces, travel memories, or objects with sentimental value. These details give your decor a unique story and transform a beautifully styled house into a warm home filled with character.